back to What's Cooking at HEPL. Today we are going to cook a gluten-free recipe, spicy Mexican chocolate cake from Wintersweet by Tammy Donroe Inman. Also be sure to check out my interview with Tammy in the blog. So I have preheated the oven to 375 degrees. I have greased our pan and put parchment paper on the bottom. And now I am going to take 1 cup of whole blanched almonds and 1 tablespoon sugar, and I am going to put them in the blender for about 30 to 40 seconds. Now I am melting chocolate over an inch of simmering water. I just have the chocolate in a metal bowl. It's kind of an improvised double boiler. I have separated 6 eggs, and now I am going to beat the 6 egg whites until they form peaks. Okay, I have 3/4 of a cup room temperature butter, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and I'm going to mix these together. Now I'm going to add 6 egg yolks. And continue to beat it. Now I'm going to add our melted chocolate. This has been simmering. This is about 1 cup. I have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And a 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Now I'm going to mix this together. Now I'm going to mix in the ground almonds that we previously ground. First, I'm going to take 1 scoop of the beaten egg whites and just blend it in to lighten the mixture. Now I'm going to add the rest of the egg whites and scoop from the bottom until they're fully blended. So I've got it in the pan, and now we will cook it on 375 for 25 to 30 minutes.